All right, we just finished school and we're gonna go to the store and get Esther. It's her turn for some new clothes because she's outgrown almost everything she owns. Want some new clothes? All right, we are back from the store and we have all the clothes here. So we got Becky's fall wardrobe and some new clothes for Esther that'll fit her and for fall. So let's sort it out. So for Esther, we got all of this from Once Upon a Child at our local shop. We got her pants and this 3-piece set and another pair of pants, and I thought those pants would both go with this little cute onesie. It's like a nice dark brown. It looks kind of red on the camera, but it's not red. Then I got her this jumper. She can wear this now, or with a shirt underneath it for fall and winter. We got her this little bear outfit. Look how cute it is. And this sweater will go with everything. And then these two dresses, which she can wear now, and she's got a pair of shorts she can wear with them. Or I thought they would also go with these two pants for fall. So that's what we got for for Esther over there. And for Becky, we picked out 2 cardigans. So she loved this red cardigan right here and this blue cardigan right here, right, Becky? Mm-hmm. And so then we picked stuff that went with the red cardigan and stuff that went with the blue. So for the red cardigan, we picked this dress. And was that blue or red?
I forget. I think that one is red.
Yeah, I think everything kind of goes with everything. And this was blue. It goes with the blue cardigan. And then she just loved these pants. They don't really go with anything, but she can wear them with something we have here. Then we picked out leggings to go with everything.
This would go with this.
Mm-hmm. This one would go with the red or the blue cardigan. I think it goes more with the blue. So we got 2 dresses and a shirt to go with each cardigan. And then 2 pairs of leggings for each cardigan. Here's a shirt for the red cardigan. And here's a shirt for the blue cardigan. So that's going to be her fall wardrobe. And we also have some things put up for her. These looked really nice and thick. So it's all thrifted. It's about $130 for everything. I got Becky, since she's turning 7, a mixes of 6s and 7s so that when she grows into her 7s, her birthday's in January, she'll have stuff to wear. And Esther got 18-month to 24-month clothes and then a few 2T things because she's wearing 18-month to 24-month right now. That's what she's wearing here, and it's a little big on her. I can curl the arms down a little bit, but most everything else I have was 12 to 18 months, and it's not fitting her anymore. She's 15 months.